Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren today kicked off the first sit sowing of the season at Arapti Mayalaikai Urup ground today. Kairao MLA L. Rameshwar Meitei accompanied Biren during the event. Arapti Urup Farmers Association organized the function. Meanwhile, Chief Minister N. Biren launched the Direct Benefit Transfer or DBT today at the multipurpose hall of MSPMC Sangaipat, Imphal East. Besides Chief Minister, Yaiskul MLA Thokchom Satyabrata Singh and Tamai MLA Awangbao Newmai attended the launch function. 13 shops were destroyed in a major fire at Butangkhul Bazar under Barak Circle of JIRIBAM district in the early hours of the morning. Properties worth Rs 17 lakh were destroyed in the fire which broke out around 4:30, according to our correspondent. The cause of the fire is yet to be ascertained. Manipur Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar today launched a new website of Manipur Remote Sensing Application Center during a function at the new Secretariat building, Imphal. The new website www.marsec.mn.gov.in has been launched to maintain record of new government projects. Manipur Congress today strongly reacted against the price hike in LPG prices. Addressing media at Congress Bhavan in Imphal, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee spokesperson O. Nabakishore said that the prices of cooking gas cylinder have recorded the highest hike since 2014. A 3-day awareness workshop on community radio concluded today. The workshop began from February 11th at Hotel Acacia in Dimapur of Nagaland. It was organized by Commonwealth Educational Media Centre for Asia, New Delhi, and the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India. Some 242 deaths from the new coronavirus were recorded in the Chinese province of Hubei yesterday, the deadliest day of the outbreak. There were also a huge increase in the number of cases, with 14,840 people diagnosed with the virus. Hubei has started using a broader definition to diagnose people, which accounts for most of the rise in cases. The new cases and deaths in the province have pushed the national death toll above 1,350, with almost 60,000 infections in total. Luira Fani 2020, a 4-day sit-sowing festival of Tangkhul community, began yesterday with pomp and gaiety at Riha village under Phungya constituency of Ukhrul district. Phungya MLA K. Lesio, Subdivisional Officer K. G. Daigong, and other dignitaries attended the opening function. Traditional dances and songs were the main attraction of the opening program. Under the supervision of Technopal District Superintendent of Police T.H. Bikramjit, a team of Narcotics and Affairs of Border NAB destroyed around 14 acres of poppy plantation along the Saimang Chingchang and Sijang Chingchang ranges under Machi Police Station yesterday. The four factions of the National Democratic Front of Bodoland have resolved to come together for the betterment and development of the Boro heartland in Assam. After a preliminary meeting of the leaders of the four groups of NDFB held on February 8 last, the second meeting was held on February 11 at Guarbata farm of Balamguri in Bijni. Indian consumers are again burdened with the steep rise of Rs 144.5 per cooking gas cylinder. The hike in LPG prices has been affected due to spurt and benchmark global rates of the fuel. However, the government almost doubled the subsidy it provides on the fuel to keep per cylinder outgo almost unchanged. No chief minister or political leaders from other states will be part of the Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind KEJRIWAL'S oath ceremony at Ramlila Maidan on 16th of February, according to sources. KEJRIWAL will take the oath as Delhi's chief minister for a third term in a Delhi-specific ceremony, said AAP convener Gopal Rai today. A portion of a rail overbridge at BHOPAL railway station collapsed this morning, injuring 9 people, according to media reports. The victims were rushed to nearby hospitals. Sources say the number of people injured in the accident can further go up. The Supreme Court has deferred the centre's plea seeking separate execution of the NIRBHAYA case convicts to Friday. Hearing a plea filed by convict Mukesh, the Supreme Court today asked NIRBHAYA case convicts to file counter-replies by tomorrow on centre and Delhi government's plea seeking separate execution. International Pro Combat Fight League 2 will be held at Haryana's Kurukshetra. 3 mixed martial art fighters from Manipur will represent India in the fight league. The 3 players are Nomaithem Bonjovi, Jenulaishram and Muhammad Firoz Khan.